I want you to spray this home remedy on your hair just for 1 week, once a week. My dear, you'll be shocked with the results. If you are suffering from hair breakage, hair fall, you like to soften your hair, my dear, this is the best way you can make it. You just apply it once a week. You experience excessive hair growth without wasting time, without using a lot of ingredients. This you just need only one product. Okay? Only one product. Guess what? Just rice. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make rice water. The best way to make rice water. Remember, guys, some of you make mistakes when it comes to making rice water. So I decided to tell you or to come and show you how to make the best rice water for your hair treatment. Remember, I told you, if you have never tried rice water, this is the right time to try out. And this is the right time to know how to make it at home. Okay? But before I proceed, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. If you love such videos, please subscribe, leave a comment in the comment sections, and of course, invite your friends to my YouTube channel. So, if you do that, it will help this channel to grow fast and to help other people to find this YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. So, here we go. How do you make rice water? I told you this home remedy, you just need only one product. Only one product. That is rice. It doesn't matter which type of rice, as long as you get rice, guys. So, here we go. I want you to go to your nearby shop. It can be a supermarket. Or if you have rice at home, just use that one. Assuming this is my rice, guys. Okay? This is my rice, guys. I think, guys, you see very well. This is my rice. Now, after getting your rice, you can get a half glass of your rice. You can get a half cup of your rice. Now, what comes next? We're talking about the right way to make rice water for your hair growth, for your hair treatment. This will soften your hair. This will make your hair to grow at a high speed. Now, my dear, after getting your measurements of your rice, I want you to put your rice into a blender. If you don't have a blender, guys, I'm sorry, but you're going to put your rice into a blender. But make sure that your rice is clean. If your rice is not clean, please first wash your rice with a clean water and then leave it dry. Okay? Leave it dry. Then after drying, you measure and put it in your blender. Are we together, guys? Then I want you to blend your rice in the good way until it forms powder form. So, after making powder, I want you to get a metallic container. Don't use plastic container. Plastic container doesn't favor us when it comes to making rice water. Get a metallic container. It can be a saucepan. It can be anything as long as it's metallic. But don't use a plastic container. So you're going to put your rice powder into that container, and you're going to add for me hot boiled water. You can add just a half cup, okay, of hot boiled water. Guys, I repeat, add hot boiled water and cover your rice powder for 3 hours. Okay, for 3 hours. From that, what you're going to do, but before I proceed, my dear, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And of course, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. This is where you will find amazing videos which I bring for you every day. So subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Now, what comes next? After soaking it for 3 hours, okay, 3 hours, make sure that when you are soaking that remedy into hot boiled water, cover it. Okay, don't forget to cover it very well. And then after 3 hours, I want you to strain or sieve or separate your powder rice and water. Okay, so you're going to sieve for 3 times. Sieve the first time, and again for the second time, and again for third time. Reason why we want to separate good rice remedy from the rice powder. That's why you have to sieve it more than 3 times if you can. I'm requesting you, if you are sieving that rice powder, or if you want to separate that rice powder from the water, please, I want you, if it's possible, you can use a cloth. There is what you use, like it's like a cloth to separate it in a good way, in the good format. Don't rush when you are separating that rice water from the powdered rice. Then from that, you're going to put it in your spray bottle. If you have a spray bottle, if you don't have a spray bottle, you can buy, but put it in your spray bottle if you have, because this is what you're going to use to apply it on your scalp and the same time on your hair. Okay, like me, you apply it on your hair, okay, and the same time on your scalp. So how do you use this amazing home remedy, and at what time are you going to use this amazing home remedy, this spray? My dear, before you apply it on your scalp and the same time on your hair, make sure that your hair is very clean. Don't make a mistake to apply it on your scalp or on your hair when they are dirty. It means if you're going to apply that remedy today, if you're going to use that remedy today, make sure that you wash your hair yesterday, before that day when you're going to use it, with shampoo, let it dry, then use your remedy for the next day. So long as you apply this remedy when your hair is clean. Wash your hair today with shampoo, then tomorrow make your remedy and use it. Guys, are we together? Now, I want you to apply that remedy or that rice water into your hair and the same time on your scalp. Massage at least gently, don't rush, for 3 minutes. Then you're going to leave that home remedy to sit on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, for 10 to 15 minutes. From that, you can use plain clean water and wash your hair. Okay, do that first of all once a week, and then repeat the same procedure 2 times for the next week. Which means this week you do it once a week, then the next week you do it 2 times. But remember, after washing it, dry your hair and you can apply your normal moisturizer you've been using every day. And you apply your normal spray, your normal oil, or any other moisturizer you've been using every day. Trust me, when you do it correctly, my dear, you'll thank me later. This will help you to make it soft, okay, to stop hair breakage or hair fall, and to give you a massive hair growth. This doesn't lie. This will make you wonders, and this will shock you.